Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends, we are going to talk about guys how can we stop guys this auto screen in our Infinix phone device. Friends, you want to stop guys your phone auto screen. So how can you stop guys when you operate guys any app and when you use any app and guys your screen rotate guys this automatic. So how can we stop this setting friends? Today friends, I will show you. I will tell you in this video guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys. Click the bell icon, like the video. So friends, first of all we will on our phone setting guys. After on phone setting, I scroll it and friends click on guys your phone display and brightness guys tap here again scroll. As you can see guys this auto red screen right side this icon is on means your auto red screen also guys tap here to stop it. After stop guys you can check guys your screen will not rotate guys you can try. So like that guys you can stop guys this auto rotate screen mode setting in your Infinix phone device. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. Now guys you can use your phone without your screen rotate. Bye guys.